Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to another craft video. Today we'll be making stress balls. These are made out of balloons, cornstarch, and water, so keep watching if you'd like to learn how to make them. It's actually really fun. So your craft kit will come with a few balloons. You can either use the big ones or the small ones. This one I've already blown up a couple of times just to kind of get it stretched out. You are going to place it over the funnel and start putting the cornstarch into the balloon. Make sure you keep a really firm grasp on the balloon because I did not, and my balloon came off. It was a disaster. I did not include that in the video because it's embarrassing, but make sure you keep a really firm grasp so that it all stays together. It'll take quite a few spoonfuls and it might take a little while. You just kind of want to make sure there's no air in there, and you don't want to fill it up too much, but just enough so that the balloon is just full. Feel free to stop here and seal it if you like the feeling of the cornstarch. Otherwise, we're going to go over to the sink and add some water to turn this into a sort of oobleck type texture. So basically you'll just want to add as much water as you like in your stress ball. It'll take a while for the water to actually mix in with all the cornstarch, so just be patient, add it in little intervals, and just continually mix it. Eventually it'll start feeling like a liquid and you can kind of judge how much more water you want to put in. So once you've got a texture that you like, feel free to shut the water off. I used a paper towel to dry off my balloon because it was still really wet, and at that point you can just tie off your balloon. Now this step is optional, but it kind of gives you a little more security in your balloon to make sure it won't pop open and spill everywhere. If you just cut the top part off of another balloon and wrap it around the stress ball, it'll kind of keep the top a little more secure for you. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to tuck in the sort of tail of my stress ball and I will stick it into this pink balloon. Here's me just kind of squishing the stress ball. It's really fun and it really does help with stress. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and we hope you tune into the next one. Thanks again.